It's usually how much?
1,000.
1,000. But for today, there's an offer.
Yeah, it's Diwali.
Yeah, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't like saying that, but I've said it. And today we are at For Jesus. It's a Thursday and it's Diwali. It's Diwali. And we are here for the Diwali Gala Night and also the Fort Jesus Sound and Light Show. Yeah, so for the Diwali, it's basically a festival of lights celebrated by Hindus mostly. And what else? Say hi, Kwanzaa.
Hi.
This is when Gakuo, our resident developer, smart guy, this one. So we are here for the Diwali Gala Night, and we are hoping to see a lot of fireworks, and also for the For Jesus Sound and Light Show, like just trying to bring the history of For Jesus to life using 3D projections, lasers, holograms, and sound effects also. Yeah. So expecting to see to experience a lot.
And learn.
And learn,
And learn too, yeah.
So tomorrow is New Year in the Indian calendar.
Yes.
Ah. So this is like the last day of the year.
Yes. On a Thursday, about 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, 700.
Yeah.
Not 1,000.
No, Thursday 700.
Saturday is 1,000.
Yeah, Saturday is 1,000, but Saturday they pick you up from Bamburi side on the double-decker bus.
Yeah,
And they take you for a tour of Mombasa and everything like that. They bring you here, you do the show, then they do a night tour, then they drop you back to...
Now that is the 1,000 bomb. Yeah.
Ya kuosha makaa. Kwa hivyo ndio tumia ile kuchoma.
Okay.
Hata hii bado haiko complete. Sijamaliza kuweka topping.
Bado kuna toppings nyingine?
Eh.
Ah, okay. Umeweka nice.
Chili, pilipili. Kuna type mbili hapa ndani. Alafu na some sauce in the middle.
Sawa.
Masagazaga.
Hii ni seke sana pilipili. How is the food?
We will be kicking off the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats as the enchanted show is about to begin in 2 minutes. Because from the top, it looks like a human figure. The eastern side, facing the ocean, looks like a human head. And corners look like 2 hands, while the western corners look like feet. Over 2,000 years ago, Mombasa was already a major trading center on this coast. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us this evening and wish you a very pleasant stay in Mombasa and a pleasant trip to Kenya.
That was worth every dime, not even shilling, dime.
That was really good. It's only 500 for today, that is Diwali. But on a normal day, please do come experience that thing. I feel like you're going to come back again.
Yeah, like honestly, like it's worth it. Then like getting that historical experience.
Yes.
With all those lights and sounds.
All those effects, all those things.
For me, it was really great. It's now 9.
It's 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Watu wa Nyali West, watu wa Nyali West.
Nyali West, that road company tuk-tuk zetu tunaenda Nyali West.
That was really dope.
Man,
and you know, this show is one of a kind. Even National Geographic said it's the only, like it's a really extraordinary show and the only one in Africa.
Yeah, man, like you can literally get goosebumps.
Yeah.
I'm really getting goosebumps. I love history, like just seeing all that coming to life, man.
Yes,
Give me goosebumps.
yes. Pyrotechnics. Pyrotechnics. Good job.
Wow.
And the DJ is also on point. We are living. I wish it could remain there and dance.
Yeah.
But
We gotta go to Nyali West.
Yep. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you.
Yeah. See you. Maybe I'm in it.
I will see you in the next video. Cheers.
Yeah.